We would be talking about English literature paper analysis. However, this is not the topic that we usually cover. But since Vidula has sent in some of the insights from English literature, I would like to make students aware that there have been increasing questions that have been asked from the sections on research methodology, writing styles, MLA, APA, Chicago. We have already covered a separate lecture on that. So cover that lecture very, very carefully, very important. And research aptitude, if you are covering thoroughly for your paper 1, your paper 2 should be done with most of the subjects. So it's not just English literature, but besides English literature, we do have other subjects like sociology, you would have population studies, and many more subjects where you would have research as an integral part of it. Now, there were questions which were fact based. Of course, there are always who is the author and which year this composition was written. Then there was passage based question. Again, this is not common to just English literature, but it is applicable to most of the subjects for your paper 2 this time. Most of the paper 2 papers had sections from comprehension. So 5 questions towards the end or somewhere towards the starting, based on the set that you have, would have questions which would be based on a comprehension. Those would be, some of those would be very, very direct, but some of those would be statement based. So there would be 2 or 3 statements, and you would be asked which of the following statements are correct. So it won't be just one statement that would be correct, but there would be multiple statements that would be there. Also, there are increasing number of questions from assertion, reason, match the list. So you have to be very thorough with the concepts, and conceptual clarity is something that is being focused where you have a scoring edge. So with the fact based questions, most of the students would be able to attain an average level, but where there are conceptual questions, applicative questions, you would find difficulty to sail through, and that's where NTA is trying to make difference and create percentiles. Okay, so be very, very careful about it, and definitely as and when we receive the feedbacks from students, we would be covering those for the benefit of future candidates who are appearing for the examinations. Have a wonderful day ahead.